Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on lesson 4-5, and this is counting numbers to 10, and we are going to be on page 225. So you might need to ask a grown-up to help you get there. All right, Emily is thinking of two mystery numbers. One of the numbers is less than 8, and another is 1 less than 8, the one right behind it. And then the other one is 1 more than 8. What do you think these two numbers are? Think about it. We're at the number 8. What number comes right before it? And what number comes right after it? Pause the video and write your answers down. And then we'll go through and see if you got it right. All right, you should have paused the video and wrote down the numbers of what you think, what is before and what is after 8. So I'm going to actually write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the number we're looking at, the number 8. The number right before 8 is the number 7. Is that what you got? Did you get the number 7? Then the number right after 8 is the number 9. So now it says 7, 8, 9. Is that what you got? Is that what you had for the number right before and the number right after? Today we're going to be practicing putting our numbers in order like this. So let's go ahead and turn to the next page. And down here has all of the numbers, these number cubes that have dots in it, and we're going to be writing the number of how many there are. And it's one that is one more than the next one. So right here we had number 1, we had 1 dot. Now if I added 1 more dot to it, so there was 1 and you added 1 more, how many are there? 1, 2. There are 2 dots. Now, if we added 1 more, so we had 1, we had 2, now we add 1 more, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots now. So first we had 3, now we added 1 more. How many dots are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots. So we had 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I add 1 more dot, now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots. Now, if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause it. But I'm going to move on to over here because we're going to keep going. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I add 1 more dot, now how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots. Now this one they already did for us, that there's 7. Then if I added 1 more, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I add 1 more dot, how many are there now? There's 8. There are 8 dots, 6, 7, and 8. If you need to, pause the video to write your numbers. Now this one and this one, look at these numbers. They are all mixed up, and we need to put them in the right order. So we're going to start with the smallest number. Which one is the smallest number? 6, 9, 8, or 7? What do you think should go here? The smallest number. We're going to put them in order. 6 is the smallest number, so I'm going to write the number 6. What comes after 6? Which one comes after 6? 7 comes next. So it's going to go 6, 7, then what? What number comes after 7? The number 8. So I'm going to write the number 8. And then the last number is the number 9. So it's 6, 7, 8, 9. We put them in order. All right, now we're gonna do the green ones. If you need to pause it, go ahead and pause the video. But we're gonna put these numbers in order. Which one is the smallest number? 3, 6, 5, or 4? Which one is the smallest one? The number 3 is. 3 is the smallest number. So we're gonna write the number 3. What number comes next after 3 is what number? It's the number 4. Then what number comes after 4? 5. And then our last number, 6. Now we can double check to make sure we got it right. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's right. All right, we're gonna turn the page. And on this page, this is our independent practice. So it's what you're gonna do by yourself. So grown-ups, please don't help them with this. I want them to be able to do it on their own and try it on their own. All right, so for 5 and 6, you're gonna look at this number. What number comes before it? And then what number comes after it? Then for this one, look at the number 9. What number comes before it? And what number comes after it? For 7, you're gonna put it in order. Which number is the smallest number and put them in order. And then for the very last one, you're gonna put them in order, but they didn't give you the last number. They wanna see if you can get what the last number is. All right, so you're gonna put them in order and then figure out what's the last number. This is the only page that you need to post on to Seesaw. If you want some extra practice, you can always do the homework practice. I'll see your work on Seesaw.